Today I'm cooking stir-fry French bean with tofu or fermented soybean paste. It's easy, simple, and very delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. Start with adding 10 ml of water onto half tablespoon of tapioca flour to make the flour slurry. Stir to mix until all the flour has dissolved. This mixture will thicken the gravy later, which is optional. Leave it aside. Place a wok on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Add 25 ml of cooking oil and let it heat up for about 30 seconds. Add 45 grams of minced garlic. Stir fry for about 2 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. After 2 minutes, the garlic looks perfectly brown and very fragrant. Remove about 3/4 of it from the wok and leave it aside. Add 1 tablespoon of tofu or fermented soybean paste, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of sugar, and 75 ml of water. Stir to mix for about 20 seconds or until well combined. Add 300 grams of washed French beans. Stir to mix until all of them are coated with the sauce. If it is too dry, add another 75 ml of water. Mix and spread the French bean out for even cooking. After 2.5 minutes, the beans are well cooked and crunchy. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Lastly, add the tapioca flour mixture and quickly stir until well combined. Alright, it is done. Switch off the heat. Add most of the crispy fried garlic and mix. It's so lovely and very fragrant. Dish it out onto a serving plate. And garnish with the rest of crispy fried garlic. Our simple stir-fry French bean with tofu is ready to be served with some rice. Let's eat! The French beans are just right, crunchy, tasty, and flavorful. The tofu sauce is perfect balance of salty and lightly sweet, a perfect match with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!